Hello, and on today's video we will be cooking pink salmon bhaji. This is a lovely bhaji for the people who like fish. So to start off with, I used 2 pink salmon tins. It's just the ones that you get from supermarkets. Just drain the water. Then we cut 2 onions, diced. Pour the salmon onto a colander. On a pan, get about 4 tablespoons of oil. Heat that up. And then pour in your onions on medium gas, and just let that cook and stir in between. Just let that brown slowly. Cut about 3 or 4 green chilies. It's all preference. If you like it spicy, then you can add more. The salmon all opened up on a plate, and then we add the spices. So half a teaspoon of turmeric, and also some chili powder, about 1 teaspoon, again depending on preference, and also half a tablespoon or just over a teaspoon of coriander powder. Add the green chilies to the onions. Give that stir on medium heat again, just slowly let it cook through. And then, so this is a pre-marinated fish with the dry spices. Add half a tablespoon of salt into the onions and give that a stir for a few more minutes. And then add the pink salmon and gently stir. And just before you finish, you can add some coriander to garnish. And that's it. Serve with basmati rice and enjoy. Please like and subscribe for more videos to come.